Tailor Brands affiliate program explained properly is something I wish I had when I first looked into it. Because when you hear up to $250 per signup, it sounds great, but also sounds like one of those numbers that needs context. So in this video, I'm going to break down exactly how the Tailor Brands affiliate program works, how much it actually pays, who it's best for, how conversions happen, and whether this is something you should seriously be adding to your content in 2026. And if by the end you decide this is a fit for you, I put my direct affiliate sign-up link in the description and pinned comment below, so you can join through me. Now let's break it down properly. Before we talk about the affiliate side, you need to understand the product. Tailor Brands helps people form LLCs and build the foundation of their business. That includes filing formation documents, acting as a registered agent if needed, generating operating agreements, helping with EIN filing, and even offering branding tools like logos and website builders. So this isn't a random tool people subscribe to casually. It's a service people use when they are starting a real business. And that's important because affiliate marketing works best when you're promoting something that solves a serious problem at the exact moment someone needs it. Starting an LLC is one of those moments. Now let's talk about how the affiliate side actually works. When you join the Tailor Brands affiliate program, you receive your own unique tracking link. Whenever someone clicks your link and forms an LLC through Tailor Brands, you earn a commission. It's a cost per acquisition model, which means you're paid when a confirmed business formation happens, not just when someone clicks. That's huge because you're not relying on tiny commissions from free trials or low-ticket purchases. You're earning based on a real business transaction. And they offer 30-day referral tracking, which means if someone clicks your link and comes back within that window to complete their formation, you still get credited. That gives your audience time to think, which is important in the business niche. Now here's the part everyone cares about. The commission structure depends on which plan the customer selects. The Light plan pays $50 per signup, the Essential plan pays $150 per signup, and the Elite plan pays $250 per signup. So when you see up to $250 per signup, it's not height, it's tied to their highest tier formation package. Now here's what makes this interesting. You don't need massive volume to generate meaningful income. Let's say you refer 4 Elite plan signups in a month. That's $1,000. Even a mix of Light and Essential conversions can add up quickly compared to smaller affiliate offers in other niches. That's why this space stands out. Now here's something most people underestimate. The LLC niche has high intent traffic. When someone searches how to start an LLC or form an LLC online, they're not browsing casually. They're about to take action. They need to file. They either do it themselves or they use a service. That built-in intent increases conversion rates compared to entertainment or impulse buy niches. You're aligning your content with a required step in someone's business journey. That's powerful positioning. Now, this affiliate program makes the most sense if your content touches any of the following areas: entrepreneurship, side hustles, freelancing, e-commerce, dropshipping, consulting, small business finance, making money online. If your audience is even thinking about launching a business, at some point they'll need an LLC. So instead of just explaining the process and sending them to a state website, you can offer a simplified solution and monetize that traffic. It's not forced, it's natural. Now, personally, I don't just throw links everywhere. The strongest way to promote this is through problem-solving content. Videos like how to start an LLC in 2026. Do you need an LLC for your side hustle? Okay, LLC versus sole proprietorship, how to form an LLC without a lawyer. These topics naturally lead into recommending a formation service. And because the audience is already in research mode, conversions feel organic instead of salesy. That's the key. Now, yes, you could technically go search for the affiliate page yourself, but if you're going to join, use my link. I've been promoting Tailor Brands for a while now, so I understand how their affiliate structure works, what converts best, and how to position content properly in this niche. When you join through my link, you're plugging into someone who's already tested this ecosystem instead of going in blind. And if you're serious about building in the LLC niche long-term, that kind of positioning makes a difference. You're not guessing, you're building strategically. Now let's be clear, this is not a magic money button. You still need content, you still need traffic, you still need trust with your audience. If you have no audience and no plan, no affiliate program will fix that. But if you already create business-related content and you're monetizing with low-ticket offers, this can significantly increase your earning potential per conversion. That's the leverage. In my opinion, yes, because in 2026, more people are launching online businesses than ever before, and forming an LLC is still a necessary step for serious entrepreneurs. The demand is not shrinking. If anything, it's growing, and affiliate programs tied to mandatory business services tend to outperform trend-based niches over time. That makes this sustainable. So how does the Tailor Brands affiliate program work? It pays you when someone forms an LLC through your link. How much does it pay? Anywhere from $50 to $250 per signup, depending on the plan. Is it competitive? Absolutely, especially compared to most programs in the business space. And if you position your content properly, even a small number of conversions per month can generate meaningful income. If you want to join the Tailor Brands affiliate program and start earning up to $250 per signup, use my affiliate signup link in the description or pinned comment below. If this breakdown helped you understand how it works and what it pays, give the video a thumbs up so more creators can find it as well. Subscribe for more strategies around affiliate marketing, business content, and building scalable income streams. I'll see you in the next video.